all signs of a very well-formed and mature hurricane, and that is exactly what you have. Really a classic looking hurricane at this point.
More than 1.5 million customers in the dark, and look at the sparks that are flying through these lines.
This could be the deadliest hurricane in Florida's history.
What's up, man? How are you?
I'm doing great. It's great to be here representing Black Wall Street.
I wanted to meet you, and I wanted to kind of converse with you. Tell me about your company, Workbnb.
We founded Workbnb to build the best workforce booking platform for enterprises that employ this traveling workforce.
What would you do with $25,000?
My name is Yeves Perez. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Workbnb. And I believe traveling workers matter. In 2019, my mom asked me to move to Reno to help grow her vacation rental business. And I quickly discovered the majority of her bookings were workforce related. I then changed the vernacular used from vacation rentals to workforce rentals. And within a year, her venture became the largest short-term rental operation in Northern Nevada. And that's when I knew we had the answer to an overlooked niche. Traveling workers make up the fabric of American society, and when these employers cannot find safe and decent housing for these workers, the alternative is living in hotels and motels for months. And you don't get a sense of belonging with experiences like this. Now, why should you care? This is Prince. Like me, he's a father, he's a son, he's a brother. He's an overall good guy. He goes to work, and he puts in hard work. Guess what his job is? It's the 5th most dangerous job in the world, journeyman lineman. He's gonna be staying in a motel room just like this for the next few months. And he had to move his room 3 times because of bed bugs. Now, do you think experiences like this make you feel essential? Come on. This is the problem at scale. Sometimes hurricanes happen, fires happen, floods happen, and they need to deploy thousands of workers. That's why you should care. They're coming to rescue you and save you to make your lives comfortable. I'm proud to present our highly anticipated, long-awaited prototype we call OTX, the online travel experience. It works in 3 simple steps. First, our contrarian truth. We killed the search bar. That's where the problem starts. One search at a time, one booking at a time, for what, 30, 40 people? Come on. Travel managers come to Workbnb now to build projects first. We give them the ability to give us information about the project and about the crews and when they're traveling, so that the durations can be set accurately. The price then gets determined, and then for the first time in booking history, you can drop all the properties into one shopping cart and purchase at one time. That has never been done before. Workbnb sells time. And we're cheaper. Damn. Now, don't believe me. Let's hear from a client.
So, what do you think?
You know, I think the approach you've taken is just great. I mean, I can totally see that this is so much better than the other options out there, right?
Right. It's
so
faster.
I can see the thought process that got you here, and you know, I mean, this just looks great, man.
That's the 74th largest industrial general contractor in the United States, a client of Workbnb. Our team is made up of ambitious newcomers to the travel space. But tonight, I'm proud to announce that we have a special advisor joining the team, a growth expert to get the big deals. His name is Pedro Perez, and he was at Google, and he decided to come to Workbnb. This is a business development specialist. Shout out, Pedro. I know you're watching. I'm also proud to announce we made roots here in Tulsa. Sean Copeland, the CEO and chairman of Region Bank, is a Workbnb believer. Shout out to Sean. I know you're watching too. We signed our agreement last night that we have a new partnership with this bank, a business bank. And not only any kind of partnership. We're talking about a promotion where we are going to run an in-branch advertising campaign at all of their branches so that all of his business customers can start using Workbnb in Q4. It doesn't stop there. Sean also he has a service, a bankings as a service platform that's going to add fin technology to our platform so that the employers can then issue Workbnb branded debit cards to their employees for travel and expenses. Now we're going to earn interchange fees. Shout out Peter Mullen. Yeah. Now, also, just really quickly, before I kind of get to the end, I also want to give a shout out to Waku. We're going to start working with Waku. You're going to hear their presentation, but we're going to get their solar solution to all of the properties that need it. Shout out to Waku. Now, Seth really wanted to be here. Seth, I know you're watching, but we appreciate you. And I'm going to leave with my traction. We have 2 six-figure pilots in process. We have over 1,200 companies on a beta wait list, thousands of properties in 39 states ready to go, and one big opportunity to change the lives of millions who travel for work. I'm Yeves Perez. Thank you for believing.